السلام عليكم يا شباب، انتم معاي بعدكم ان شاء الله. Now the screen is clear, please.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. So this is our lecture today. As you see the title, consonant sequences or consonant clusters. Consonant sequences. What do you mean by sequences? What is the meaning of sequences? What is the meaning of sequences? Yeah, sequences means sequences تتابع. Cluster, what's the meaning of cluster? Cluster أيضا تجمع.
تتابع
الأصوات
تتابع الأصوات الصامتة.
تتابع الأصوات الصامتة. When I say تتابع, this means واحد يأتي بعد الآخر. Of course, if someone asks, why do we study such topic? لماذا ندرس مثل هذا الموضوع? Of course, it is very important for us, especially the Arabs. احنا العرب هذا الموضوع جدا مهم إنه. لماذا؟ لأنه كثير ما نخطأ بلفظ كثير من الكلمات باللغة الإنجليزية بسبب تأثير طبيعة لغتنا علينا. For example, the word English. Always you pronounce it as English. سامعين احنا نلفظ English. This is of course wrong. وهذا خطأ. You must pronounce English, not English. لماذا هذا الخطأ باللفظ؟ وكثير مثلا أبسط شيء الرقم 6 نقول 6 and this is something wrong. وطبعا هذا خطأ. 6. لماذا هذا الأخطاء؟ لأنه لغتنا الموجود بها صوتين صامتين. ما نقول صامت عن صوت صحيح، صوتين صامتين أكثر شيء، ويجب أن يأتي بعدهن صوت صائت أو صوت علة. هاي لغتنا، هاي طبيعة اللغة. بينما اللغة الإنجليزية قد نجد بها إلى 4 أصوات صامتة، 4 أصوات بمصطلحنا العامي صحيحة، واحد ورا الثاني، وهذا اللي نعاني منه، عنده مشكلة إحنا، لذلك نخطأ باللفظ. لذلك هذا الموضوع أشوفه أنا مهم. يجب أن نتعود how to pronounce more than 2 consonants one after the other. Okay, so because of that, our topic today is consonant sequences, or sometimes we call it consonant clusters. Consonant cluster. Good. What is consonant cluster or consonant sequence? Is a group or sequence of consonants that appear together in a syllable or in a word without a vowel between them. Without a vowel. So this is the definition of consonant sequence. What is consonant sequences? Is a sequence or a group of consonants that appear, that occur together in a syllable or in a word without a vowel between them. The maximum, let's go for maximum. أعلى عدد ممكن. The maximum possibility of consonant cluster in English, of course, is 3 consonants in the beginning. Look, in the beginning of the word or of the syllable, and 4 in the final position of the word. Look, so at the beginning of the word, the maximum number is 3 consonants. This is in English, please. This is in English. At the end of the word, the maximum number, أعلى عدد, is 4 consonants. Good. Let us see this. Initial sequence. What does initial? It means sequences of consonant at the beginning of the word. Initial يعني أولي ابتدائي، يعني بداية الكلمة. Initial sequences or clusters. If consonants are sequenced initially, what do you mean by initially? At the beginning of the word, The cluster is known شو نسميها is as word initial cluster. Of course, either 2 or 3 consonants can be clustered. 2 or 3 at the beginning of the word. Either 2 or 3 consonants can cluster at the beginning of the word. Good. These are of 2 types. Sequences of 2 consonants initially, it means CC. And look at this hyphen. What's called hyphen? شارحة. hyphen. What do I see? C. السي الأولى consonant, السي الثانية cluster. أخاف أجيب لك بالامتحان أعطي مثال لسي سي و pay attention to the hyphen. انتبه للشارحة. لماذا وضعنا الشارحة هنا في بعد معناها؟ then these 2 consonants come at the beginning of the word. يعني بقية الكلمة تأتي بعدها. Okay, so C hyphen شارحة. These consonant cluster means 2 consonants at the beginning of the word. And then sequence of 2 consonants initially, it has 2 types or subtypes. They are either one of PTK or BDG, MENE, FVH. One of these consonant plus زائدا one of لا را ويا. It means one of these consonant and the second one is one of these consonant. For example, look, play. Look, play at the beginning before the vowel. This is the vowel. Now you have an idea about all the vowels in English. You have an idea, yes or no? الآن أصبح عندكم فكرة من المحاضرة الماضية عن كل الأصوات المتحركة باللغة الإنجليزية أو أصوات العلة نسميها المتحركة. Yes or no? This is A. So play, as you see, P. This is the first one. Plus le from here. Play. Pray. What's going to pray? What's the meaning of pray? What's the meaning of pray? Pray.
صلاة.
Yeah, very good. يصلي. Pray. Look. P from here and re from here. Pray. Cry. Look. K from here and re from here. Cry. Dry. The same as view. Look. View. V from here and ye from here. So this is the first type. One of PTK, BDG or MENE, FE, V, th. V or he plus one of le, re, we, ye. Good. The other type is se plus.
Yes,
Ramya.
Yes. Could you repeat, explain this lines or sentences? I don't understand what you say.
Examples?
Yes. Examples and yes, explain these sentences, please.
Very clear, Ramya.
Yes, but
one of PTK, one of these consonants. This is the first consonant. The second one of these consonant. Very clear. As you see, play. P from here and le from here. Pray.
Yes, we can. You mean we can pronounce these letters?
What do you pronounce it? What do you pronounce them?
يعني
نلفظ.
pronounce تلفظ ألفظها يعني باثنين بشكل صحيح بشكل واضح.
Yeah, play, pray, cry, dry. And yeah, these are 2 consonants. Here also 2 consonants. 2 consonants at the beginning of the word. As you see, view. How many consonants? 2. V plus ye. These are consonants. And long is a vowel. View. Good. This is the first type. The second type, se plus one of PTK, feminine, lewe, and se plus one of these. As for example, speak. Look, speak. At the beginning of the word, at the beginning, se, pe, and this is the vowel. So 2 consonants at the beginning. Sky, se plus ke. Stick. What's go for stick? stick يلتصق.
عصا.
Yeah. stick. good. snail look snail الحلزون هذا الحيوان الصغير أو الحشرة، لما نقول حشرة حيوان صغير snail حلزون. look snail س plus ن. good. swim swim س plus و س plus و. skim skim س plus ك. shrine let's go for shrine. shrine
الضريح المقدس أو
very good.
العتبة
يعني
المقدسة.
الإمامين نقول holy shrines.
Holy shrines. Yes.
look at this share. This is share. shrine share plus re. good. snakes look snakes at the beginning of the word se plus ne. good. and yeah we say sticks. sphere and stir se plus stir. slope and snow se plus ne. So this is the first type of two consonants clustered initially. Two consonants. good. go to the other types. Sequence of three consonants. Three initially, and this is the maximum number. هذا أعلى شيء. At the beginning of the word, the maximum number of consonants that can be clustered at the beginning of the word is 3. And as you see, C, three consonants. C, and this is the hyphen. In initial position of the word, the three consonants can occur together. The structure تركيبة هذه of this cluster is that the first one must be se. Please pay attention. If three consonants clustered at the beginning of a word, so the first one must be se. The second one must be one of either pe or te or ke. The second one, either pe or te or ke. And the third one, either le or re or we or ye. For example, splash. Please رجاء لا تضع كسرة تقول splash. No. splash. spring. Don't say spring. No. لا تضع كسرة رجاء. هذا الخطأ. نقول spring. No. spring.
Please doctors.
Please.
بس اللفظ مال سبلاش يعني اكو مرات باللسان ما تجي يعني.
ايه هو هذا لذلك انا قدمت بقيت اللغه العربيه تاثر علينا. اللغه العربيه متعودين على تو كونسونانتس اعلى شيء.
يس.
هذا بسبب لغتنا نقول سبرينج وهو خطا. نفس سكس وهو خطا. فلازم احنا اصبحنا اختصاص لغه انجليزيه لازم نعود لساننا سبرينج نوت سبرينج. نو سبرينج.
يعني الار ما تلفظ؟
نو تلفظ الار، لكن احنا نقول سي هنا نضع كسره يعني صوت اي قصيره سبرينج وهو خطا. سبرينج ماكو فاصله بين الس والبي. سترونج مو سترونج. نو سترونج. So the first one is se, must be se. The second one must be one of pe te ke, either pe or te or ke. The third one must be one of le re we ye. Strong. Stupid. Don't say stupid. No. stupid. No. Stupid. يعني السا والتاء واحد وراء الثاني مباشرة. Don't pronounce stupid. No. Stupid. Screen. Not screen, please. Screen. Yeah, screen. Of course, shasha. Screen. Square. Look, square. And screw. يعني يضب برغي يشد. Screw. So this is the first type. يعني
yes, دكتور.
If yes, Lamia.
دكتور يعني تقصدون من يعني حتى ما نسوي هاي الكسرة اللي نفسها
نعم.
بالعربي متعودين عليها.
نعم.
يعني نشدد على هسه الآس نقول stupid، يعني رأسا الآس نركز عليها بحيث نعبر التي بشكل سريع، يعني بحيث ما يتبين أكثر.
very good very good. وهاي يا
Yes.
شباب يحتاج تعود رجاء. ماذا يعني يحتاج تعود؟ ما نتعلم اللفظ إذا ما نسمع كثيرا رجاء، وسبقا بلغتكم بهذا الشيء. رجاء يجب أن نعود أذاننا قبلها ونلفظ كثيرا. stupid, screw, screen, spring إلى آخره. Good. This is what? This is consonant cluster at the beginning of the word. So either 2 or 3 at the beginning, initially. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
If 3
Yes.
consonants, so the first one must be sir. Must be. Good. Go to final consonants. Means final sequences. Means consonants that are clustered at the end of the word. In final position of the words, 2, 3, or 4. Sometimes you may find 4 consonants. And this is very difficult for us, the Arabs. وطبعا هذا جدا صعب علينا انه 4 لساننا ما متعود. نحن العرب بسبب طبيعة لغتنا، ويجب أن نعود نفسنا. Good. So in final position of English words, 2, 3, or 4 consonants can cluster together without a vowel between them. Look at these following words. Look, 2 consonants cluster finally. Look, here where do I put the hyphen? when وضعت الشارحة أني قبلها. Why? To see these 2 consonants occur where? At the end of the word. يعني this means what? This is the rest of the word. هاي بقية الكلمة. تبدأ الكلمة هنا في بداية. Do you notice that? انتبهتوا لمكان الشارحة؟
Yes. Yes, sir.
Good. فخاف أجيب لكم إياها مثال بالامتحان. لا تسألني شنو هاي الهيفن منا أو منا. Okay, so please pay attention to the place of hyphen. Good. Cluster. For example, slept, 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 slept. Look, better at the end of the word. Jobs, jobs, jobs. Beze at the end of the word. Bags, bags. Tukon geze at the end of the word. Graphs, graphs. Also taps, taps. Robbed, robbed. Watched, look, watched. Don't pronounce it watched, no, watched, watched. Depth, depth, عمق, depth. Books and craft, craft, as you see, in depth, better.
دكتور يعني آسفة بس المقاطعة، بس يعني إذا هيك نلفظها لفظة واحدة يعني ما نقطع بيها.
Very good.
صحيح؟
Very good. That is very good. تماما لفظة واحدة. تماما. Very good. Craft, books, depth, depth. Watched, watched. Robbed, taps, slept, jobs, bags, graphs. Very good. And also please
Yes, دكتور. دكتور هذه بالنسبة للشارحة قبل شوية اللي هي قبل السين الأيثم عفوا.
هيثم.
هيثم يس. هذه شنو معناتها إذا تجي بالامتحان؟ ما عرفت شنو قصدكم.
It means when I see here, it means these 2 consonants occur at the end of the word.
Yes.
These 2 consonants occur at the end of the word. While here in this, look here in this, look, this is the hyphen where these 2 consonants occur at the beginning of the word. Do you notice that?
Yes, I understand. Yes.
Good. So also I want you to pay attention to the phonemic transcription, please. الكتابة الصوتية. ويجيكم سؤال كامل كتابة صوتية من هسه أبلغكم. Look, فلذلك يجب تتعود على الكتابة الصوتية, please. Okay, good. Look, these are what? These are 2 consonants clustered finally. Good. Go to 3 consonants. If 3 consonants finally, look, this is the hyphen and C, C, C. It means 3 consonants. For example, adopts, 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 adopts. Look, at the end of the word, P, T, S, 3 consonants. Reacts, reacts, reacts. K, T, S, 3 consonants at the end of the word. Contacts, contacts, contacts. Look, K, T, S, 3 consonants at the end of the word. Protects, look, protects, 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 protect, look, protects, K, T, S, 3 consonants at the end of the word. Interrupts, 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 look, P, T, S, 3 consonants at the end of the word. Okay, and sometimes we may find 4 consonants clustered finally. 4. Very difficult for us, very difficult. جدا صعبة علينا هاي. Look, this is the hyphen and consonant 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, for example, texts, texts, texts. Very difficult for us. الما متعود جدا صعبة عليه. Texts or sixths. Look, sixths, sixths. In texts, 4 consonant K, S, T, S. In sixths, K, S, Th, S. 4 consonants. And trumpets, 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 trumpets. Look, me, pe, te, se, and trumpets, trumpets. These are what? These are 4 consonants. What are these? These are consonants cluster. تعاقب الأصوات الصحيحة أو الصامتة. So I repeat, please, as you see here.
عفوا دكتور.
Yes, Lamia, please.
بالنسبة للداوتس، الداوتس هي مرات يعني مو داوتس لفظ الأكو البي ينلفظ سايلنت ما ينلفظ العفو.
لا، في بعض الكلمات فهنات اللفظ adopts.
Yes.
نعم. أعيد initial sequence.
Yes, دكتور عيدة.
Yes, please. على السريع. Initial sequences. It means consonant that can cluster at the beginning of the word. At the beginning of the word, either 2 consonants, as you see this, or either 3 consonants. And if 3 consonants cluster initially, so the first one must be se. The first one must be se. And the second one of PTK. And the third one of le, re, we, ye. Good. And as you see these examples. Good. In final sequences, final means sequences of consonants at the end of the word, either 2 or 3 or 4. And you see these examples of 2 consonants clustered finally, and these examples of 3 consonants clustered finally, and these examples of 4 consonants clustered finally. Good.
عفوا دكتور، يعني
Yes,
بيوم
please.
الامتحان اذا جبت لنا يعني سؤال مثلا تنطينا كلمه وتريد مثلا الصوت نعطيك اياه، لو شلون يعني؟
اما كلمه او صوت اقول لك give example، او اقول لك هاي كلمه اكتبها وشوف لي كم صوت صحيح. How many consonant cluster at the end or at the beginning of the word. Okay. Good.
اوكي دكتور.
Good. Any other question please?
No, doctors.
Good. راح انهي هذا الزوم وارجع من جديد على مود اسجل الغيابات. راح انهي هذا الزوم فابقوا معاي، وراح ارجع من جديد زوم جديد على مود اسجل الحضور. Thank you very much for today. وراح ارجع